I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. So now that we've checked the roller tensioner on this roller tension system and we saw a low reading on the scale, we want to make sure we adjust the roller tension on this particular roller tensioner by tightening the adjustment bolt on the back side of the roller tensioner. And to do that, I'm going to use a 19mm socket on this particular machine to make that adjustment. So I'll go ahead and start tightening that. Now that we've made our adjustment to our roller tensioner for knot number 1 on the underside of the baler, we want to go ahead and recheck that roller tension with a scale. So we're going to tie another loop knot in our twine, make sure there's slack in that twine, your slacker arm is down, then hook my scale onto my loop knot, and I'm going to pull slow and gentle. I saw somewhere between 18 to 22 pounds. Which is about right for this particular machine for optimum tying efficiency. So now that we've checked and adjusted our roller tension for knotter number 1, we want to make sure we remove all of these loop knots and the slack out of the twine. Once we take those knots out, we want to make sure we put some tension on that twine and tie that twine back together before we start baling again. If we don't, it might end up in some major tying issues for you. So when we have our roller tension set properly underneath our baler for the lower roller tensioner system, all of our slacker arms should be up about halfway through making your next bale. So in this case, we can see all of our slacker arms are up. We have good tension on the twine for effective tying consistency.